and a language of light to communicate in silence. The power of attraction brought you here, and this, my message, is an invitation to a special blessing from the Creator Adonai. Holy God of our ancestors, restore our temple service with thanksgiving and gratitude. Let these cubes represent the sacred nature of this day. I'm about to introduce a pathway with these special cubes. This message should be a reassurance that we were chosen by God to experience this meeting with a messenger and guardian spirit. I've made these guardian cubes in sets of 2. The cubes were blessed by the Supreme Chaplain, and I've made them available for our friends. People ask me what these cubes are for. Firstly, we recognize that our cubes are sacred. They're part of our history. They're like a reminder for your hand and a guardian for your forehead between your eyes. Our cubes actually represent eternal laws and principles. It's 2 cubes that have one singular idea, one God. The cubes are part of the teachings of the guardians, and so we call them guardian cubes. At this moment, I'm a messenger, and at this moment, I'm sharing these cubes and hopefully contributing to the evolution of consciousness here on planet Earth. I know that we can use these cubes to teach. This lesson is for metaphysical gain. And yes, these are physical cubes. Our guardian cube code is transformative. I've actually a lot of true verbal testimony about these cubes and their individual miracles that have occurred through prayer. You too can gain true testimony about our cubes. I want this to be an open transaction where you provide some true information about yourself. I don't want to accidentally pitch this idea to our enemies, but the book says that we should pray for our enemies anyhow. Today I have a prayer for all my friends, all the friends of Israel, and I want to do something to recognize you as a metaphysical friend of our one guardian spirit. So get a hold of these cubes and gain some knowledge and testimony. These cubes are supposed to be actually part of a rite of passage. And with these cubes, you can be the hero or savior in your own personal narrative. You can lead by example and share the message of peace with these guardian cubes. We have special knowledge of the chosen people. Our volume of the sacred law teaches that we are supposed to wear these cubes on weekday mornings. I don't encourage people to wear neck chains. Instead, I encourage people to surrender those chains in favor of the teachings of our Creator. I'm going to be really encouraging more people to gain a true testimony with our black guardian cubes. And I'm interested in sharing true testimonials. Our cubes and their code are connected to a universal guardian spirit. Our sets of cubes are hand-polished to 2,000 grit. They're engraved with a blessing and sacred geometry. I'm going to make it so that you can write me a message right now in the box under this video. Put in your email address and I'll send you a link to our font. I'm using these cubes to plant a seed today as best as I can in this moment. And if you want to know more about me, I'll share with you my true testimony about my metaphysical condition and the paradigm shift that I embraced with these guardian cubes. So leave me a message here. I hope to see you soon. I'm honored to be part of this experience with you, learning to wear these cubes and even interact over the internet using our cube code. So I have enough money to ship you a set of these cubes with a signed postcard today. This is basically a ticket to Jerusalem, something to invest in. I have a big respect for the people that embrace this cube and its code for transformation in the mind that can begin right today. So leave me a message and I will personalize your silent prayer. Thank you so much and see you soon.